Dogs can't speak, but their bodies are always talking. A blank stare, a skipped meal, a heavy breath. These may look small, but they can be silent cries for help from your loyal friend. If you truly love your dog, take a moment to listen to what their body is saying, because early signs can save a life. Yesterday they devoured every bite. Today, their favorite meal sits there, untouched. When your dog stops eating or loses appetite, it's often their body whispering, something's not right. It might be tooth pain, an upset stomach, a mild fever, or even stress. Sometimes, a small gum infection can make chewing painful enough to stop eating altogether. Watch closely. Do they lick their lips, pick up food then drop it, or seem tired and disinterested? If this lasts more than a day, don't wait. Skipping meals is rarely just a mood. It's a warning sign that deserves attention. Ever noticed how sometimes your dog drinks endlessly, and other times they barely touch the water all day? Drinking too much can point to diabetes, kidney disease, or fever. Drinking too little may mean dehydration or fatigue. Try this quick check. Gently pull the skin at the back of their neck. If it doesn't spring back quickly, your dog is dehydrated. For us, dehydration is unpleasant. For dogs, it can be life-threatening. A dog's stool and urine are like health diaries written in code. Healthy dogs have firm, well-formed stool and clear urine. But if the stool is loose, dark, bloody, or unusually smelly, or if the urine looks dark yellow, cloudy, or reddish, then your dog's internal organs may be struggling. It could be digestive infection, parasites, or even liver and kidney problems. And if they whimper or strain while pooping or peeing, that's pain. Pro tip: keep an eye on their stool for a couple of days. Take photos or save a small sample if you need to show the vet. Those tiny details might make the difference between sickness and recovery. You lean in to cuddle your dog and freeze. A sour, metallic or ammonia-like smell hits your nose. That's not dog smell, that's disease smell. Fishy or sour odor can signal liver trouble. Metallic or ammonia scent can mean kidney disease or rotten. Odor with red gums points to gum infection or abscess. Dogs can't say, "My tooth hurts," but every breath they take tells a story. Don't just spray deodorizer or use breath mints. Check their mouth, gums, and ears. If the odor doesn't go away in a few days, it's time for a vet check, possibly internal. A healthy dog shines, literally. Their coat is smooth, soft and full of life. But when the fur becomes dry, brittle, shedding in patches, or the skin turns red and flaky, it's your dog's way of saying, "Something inside me isn't right." This could be allergies, parasites, fungal infections, or hormonal imbalance. Sometimes, it's just poor nutrition or lack of omega-3s. Check the belly, underarms, and between the toes. Fleas and mites love those spots. If the skin is discolored, scaly, or smells oily, switch to gentle medicated shampoos and seek vet advice. Remember, a dog's coat isn't just about beauty, it's a mirror of their inner health. Yesterday they ran to greet you at the door. Today, they barely lift their head. Behavioral changes are the most subtle, yet most powerful signs of illness. A dog in pain or distress may become quiet, hide away, or even growl when touched. Don't scold them for being distant or snappy. They're not being bad, they're hurting. Maybe it's joint pain, a sore belly, or even emotional stress. Sometimes silence is how dogs say, "I'm hurting, but I don't know how to tell you." And all they need is your calm voice and gentle presence. Look at their chest. Is it rising and falling too quickly? Do they pant heavily even at rest, cough, or wheeze while sleeping? These are not just cold symptoms. They might signal respiratory infection, heart problems, or even a lodged object in the throat. If your dog breathes with an open mouth, or their tongue turns bluish, rush to the vet immediately. That's an emergency. A healthy dog takes about 15-30 breaths per minute at rest. Anything beyond that could mean the body is struggling for oxygen, and you, the one who sees them every day, are their first and only protector. We can say, "I'm tired," but dogs can't. They endure in silence, hoping you'll notice. Sometimes their only cry for help is a glance, a sigh, a skipped meal. So don't just see a cute pet. See the soul behind those eyes. Pay attention to their breath, their habits, their small changes. Because true love isn't just feeding them. It's listening when they can't speak. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.